Hey prompt mate, today we're diving into a new feature, the AI Tools Generator. This functionality allows you to create a functional tool in just a few simple steps. We will start from prompt list and going through the weather assistant prompt. Now, you start by opening the Add Function modal by pressing Add Function button in Model Settings. In the top right corner, there's a small icon labelled Generate Tool. Once you click on it, a popover appears with a text field and two buttons. Let's say we need a tool that will be triggered whenever the user asks about the weather in a specific location. We type Get Weather Tool with parameters, latitude, longitude, current weather into the field and hit the Generate button. As you can see, the tool is instantly created and available. Let's create one more tool. Let it be Get City Coordinates. It will take the name of the city from user input and send it to API. So we type Get City Coordinates Tool with parameter. Name. Now we have two necessary tools. Now let's move on to testing in our prompt. We'll ask the assistant to find out the weather in Berlin. Once we run the prompt, we can see that the assistant asks us, which country is? This is right, because there are a lot of cities called Berlin. Let's provide a country, it will be Germany. Well, we see tool was correctly triggered. The next tool we will call on N8N side, because we need to receive the real coordinates of the city. At this stage, Genum doesn't connect to any real external services. Tool calls are abstract simulations, which exist purely inside Genum for testing purposes. If the prompt behaves as intended, the next step is to commit this version. This ensures that the exact version you tested will be used in production. To do this, we click the Commit button, let Genum Auto generate a commit message and confirm it. Once committed, the prompt becomes production ready and can be integrated with external systems. Now let's head over to N8N to see how this works in a live automation flow. I've already prepared a simple flow in N8N. It includes an assistant agent and two tools for fetching real-time weather data. These tools are connected to an external API called OpenMeteo. The logic is straightforward. When the user asks about the weather, the assistant first asks for the country and city. Then it calls the Get City Coordinates tool, passing the city name as a parameter. After receiving the coordinates, it calls the Get Weather tool, providing latitude, longitude, and a fixed current weather true parameter. The assistant then processes the response and presents it in a human-friendly format right in the chat. Let's test this setup. I'll ask the assistant to check the weather in Berlin. The assistant immediately asks to specify the country because there are multiple cities named Berlin. After confirming Germany, the flow continues. And in the end, we receive up-to-date weather information for Berlin, Germany. In conclusion, this demo shows how Genum is an integral part of production-grade Gen AI systems. It allows you to control behavior, validate logic, and ensure predictable results every time your assistant is used. That's all for today. Stay tuned and build smart.